This is Anirudh Praveen, and today we are learning about adding and subtracting integers and using the order of operations. First, let's use the adding and subtracting integers. Let's solve the first question. 6 plus 5. The simple 6 plus 5. We all know that this answer is 11 because by adding the significant digits. And now we can say this is 11. And now we can solve negative 6 minus 5. Negative 6 minus 5, the answer to this question is plain negative. Let's put the negative 11. This is exactly like the first question where it is 6 plus 5. But the answer is also you add 6 plus 5 and put the negative sign in front. That's how I like to think of this answer. And then we have the question 6 plus negative 5. 6 plus negative 5 is 1. The answer is 1. It's because of, and we are doing negative 5 plus 6. So we start from negative 5 and we're moving 6 spaces to the right. So let's start. So negative 5 is the starting point, and we're moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces to the right, and we reach our answer 1. Now let's move on to order of operations. Let's shrink all of these, push them to the side, let's shrink this, push them to the side, and so welcome guys, and now let's solve this beautiful equation. 2x plus 3x times 7x squared divided by 5x squared. We are going to use PEMDAS. Goes parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Now that you know these awesome steps to solve this equation, let's start. First, we have parentheses, like it says here, parentheses. You can see the parentheses here. So let's solve the parentheses. 3x plus 2x, it's same numbers. 5x, so 5x, and always drop down the rest, times 7x squared divided by 5x squared. Next, multiplication and exponents are there. So we need to multiply by those two. 7 times 5 is 35. So it'd be 35, then x times x squared is x cubed. And then let's drop down this part of the equation now. Since we solved this part, now we're going to drop down this part of the equation, which is divided by 5x squared. Let me shrink all of these with my powerful okay? And now, let's write it in a little bit better form, which I like to understand it in. Divided by 5x squared. Divide these two. That comes to 7. And then x cubed divided by x squared is, let me simplify it over here. 7x 3 minus 2, which is 7x, just plain 7x. And that is your answer to this equation. Bye guys, and I hope you learned a lot from this video. I did, and hope you had a great time.